ഹായ് ഓൾ, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ഷാർപ്സ് കെംസ്പാർക്ക്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് കറ്റാലിസിസിലെ കുറച്ച് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസർ നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എ കാറ്റലിസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ only for increasing the velocity of the reaction, B only for decreasing the velocity of the reaction, C for altering the velocity of the reaction, D all are correct. Answer option C for altering the velocity of the reaction. The process which is catalyzed by one of the product is called option A acid base catalysis, B autocatalysis, C negative catalysis, D positive catalysis. Answer option B autocatalysis. For the function of enzymes, which of the following statement is not correct? Option A, they always increase activation energy, B, an optimum temperature is needed, C, they are substrate specific, D, an optimum pH is needed. ഒരു എൻസൈം കാറ്റലിസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഫംഗ്ഷനിൽ ഒപ്റ്റിമം ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സബ്സ്ട്രേറ്റ് സ്പെസിഫിക് ആവണം, ഒപ്റ്റിമം പി എച്ച് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. പക്ഷെ അതെന്താണ്, ദേ ഓൾവേസ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ആക്ടിവേഷൻ എനർജി കറക്റ്റ് അല്ല. അപ്പോൾ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ദേ ഓൾവേസ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ആക്ടിവേഷൻ എനർജി. Which of the following type of catalysis can be explained by the absorption theory? Option A, homogeneous catalysis, B, enzyme catalysis, C, acid base catalysis, D, heterogeneous catalysis. Answer option D, heterogeneous catalysis. Absorption theory heterogeneous catalysis ആണ് explain ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Catalyst used in the manufacture of HNO3 by Ostwald process. Option A, rhodium, B, palladium, C, iron, D, platinum rhodium. Answer D, platinum rhodium. നമ്മൾ മിക്കവാറും ഓസ്വാൾഡ് പ്രോസസ്സിൽ പ്ലാറ്റിനം എന്നായിരിക്കും പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക, പക്ഷെ പ്ലാറ്റിനം റോഡിയം ഓസ്വാൾഡ് പ്രോസസ്സിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. The ability of catalyst to accelerate the chemical reaction is known as option A, activity, B, selectivity, C, negative catalyst, D, none of these. Answer option A, activity. A catalyst poison renders the catalyst ineffective because option A, it combines with one of the reactants, B, it adsorbs the molecules of the reactants, C, it is preferentially adsorbed on the catalyst, D, it combines chemically with the catalyst. Answer option C, it is preferentially adsorbed on the catalyst. In the hydrogenation of oils, the catalyst used is option A, nickel, B, iron, C, molybdenum, D, platinum. Answer option A, nickel. Enzyme activity of human body enzyme is maximum at option A, 298 Kelvin, B, 330 Kelvin, C, 320 Kelvin, D, 310 Kelvin. Answer option D, 310 Kelvin. Decomposition of potassium chlorate in the presence of MnO2 is an example of option A, heterogeneous catalysis involving liquid reactants, B, homogeneous catalysis involving liquid reactants, C, heterogeneous catalysis involving solid reactants, D, heterogeneous catalysis involving solid reactants. Answer option D, heterogeneous catalysis involving solid reactants. The catalytic activity of the transition metals and their compounds is ascribed to option A, their chemical reactivity, B, their unfilled d orbitals, C, their ability to adopt multiple oxidation states and their complexing ability, D, their magnetic behavior. Answer option C, their ability to adopt multiple oxidation states and their complexing ability. The efficiency of an enzyme in catalyzing a reaction is due to its capacity, option A, to form an enzyme substrate complex, B, to decrease the bond energies of the substrate molecule, C, to change the shape of the substrate molecule, D, none of these. Answer option A, to form an enzyme substrate complex. The destruction of the biological nature and activity of an enzyme by heat or chemical agent is called option A, denaturation, B, destruction, C, dehydration, D, killing. Answer option A, denaturation. Enzyme take part in reaction and option A, decrease the rate of reaction, B, increase the rate of reaction, C, both A and B, D, none of these. Answer option B, increase the rate of reaction. In the case of autocatalysis, option A, solvent catalysis, B, product catalysis, C, reactant catalysis, D, heat produced reaction catalysis. Answer option B, product catalysis. Which of the following is true about the catalyst? Option A, it initiates reaction, B, it changes equilibrium point, C, it alters the rate of reaction, D, it increases the average kinetic energy. Answer option C, it alters the rate of reaction. A finely divided state of catalyst is more efficient because in this state, option A, more energy is stored in the catalyst, B, less active centers are formed, C, more surface area is available, D, none of the above. Answer option C, more surface area is available. The catalyst iron used in Haber process contains molybdenum, the function of which is option A, to act as a catalyst promoter and increase activity of catalyst, to increase the rate of combination of gases, C, to make up for the adverse temperature and pressure conditions, D, to counterbalance for the presence of impurities in the gases. Answer option A, to act as a catalyst promoter and increase activity of catalyst. Rusting of iron is catalyzed by which of the following? Option A, O2, B, H+, C, manganese, D, zinc. Rusting of iron നടക്കാറുള്ളത് അസിഡിക് മീഡിയത്തിലാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി H+. The decomposition of H2O2 can be slowed by the addition of a small amount of acetamide. The latter acts as a option A, stopper, B, inhibitor, C, promoter, D, detainer. Answer option B, inhibitor. Vanaspati ghee is manufactured by option A, reduction of oil, B, oxidation of oil, C, hydrogenation of oil, D, none of these. Answer option C, hydrogenation of oil. When KClO3 is heated, it decomposes into KCl and O2. If some MnO2 is added, the reaction goes much faster because A. MnO2 provides heat, B. MnO2 decomposes to give O2, C. Better contact is provided by MnO2, D. MnO2 acts as a catalyst. Answer option D. MnO2 acts as catalyst. The term platforming is option A. Platinum manufacturing, B. Platinum coating, C. Platinum used as catalyst, D. Platinum used in painting. Answer option C. Platinum used as catalyst. The reaction rate at a given temperature is slower when option A. Entropy changes, B. Activation energy is higher, C. Activation energy is lower, D. Initial concentration of reactants remains constant. Answer option B. Activation energy is higher. When the catalyst is added to the reversible reaction in equilibrium state, the value of equilibrium constant option A decreases, B increases, C does not change, D becomes 0. Answer option C does not change. Thank you.